The Apple Watch 11, like any Apple Watch, comes with two wristbands in the box. So let's see how to attach them and also remove them if you want to change and swap them for a new one. So first of all, if you want to attach the bands that came with the box, first you gotta decide about the orientation. You need to insert the smaller watch buckle part to 12 o'clock. The crown will be at the right hand side if you're gonna wear it on your right hand, and vice versa. Just take one of the bands, go ahead and flip it. You will see this metal connector over the lug. Just make sure this will always be face down when you're wearing your watch. And then all you gotta do is just slide it inside the slot from either side, left or right, doesn't matter, until it clicks and it connects properly. Do the same for the other side. And then you can just go ahead and wiggle it a bit to make sure it's connected properly. But let's say you want to remove them, maybe to change your strap. So for that, just flip your watch. Now you will see these two release buttons at both sides of your watch. Just press on any of them and then slide the strap in either way, doesn't matter. You can do the same and release the strap from the other side. And yes, it's that simple. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.